Maintaining a treadmill elevation system is essential for delivering a smooth and consistent workout experience. Welcome to WholeToolBox. The lift motor plays a critical role in raising and lowering the running deck during incline changes. Over time, lift motors can fail due to excessive weight strain, dust, or due to insufficient lubrication. These conditions increase friction and heat, which can lead to motor damage. Common signs of lift motor failure include an unresponsive incline function, loud grinding noises during elevation changes, or elevation-related error codes displayed on the console. Replacing a treadmill lift motor is a practical maintenance task that helps restore proper functionality. Although this procedure references the Vision Fitness T9600 series, the general steps apply to many treadmill models. Begin by ensuring the treadmill is completely powered off and unplugged from the wall outlet. Remove the bolt securing the ground wire, then locate and disconnect the elevation motor harness from the IFT drive. With the electrical connections removed, access the internal frame by carefully tipping the treadmill onto its side. Remove the cotter pin and shaft from the upper end of the elevation motor, followed by the hardware from the lower end. Please be mindful that the motor will become loose once this hardware is removed, so hold it securely as you free it from the frame. Install the calibrated motor by securing the upper hardware first, followed by the lower mounting hardware. Return the treadmill to its upright position. Reattach the ground wire and reconnect the motor harness to the IFT drive. Proper installation ensures the elevation system operates safely and reliably. Visit WholeToolBox.com for genuine treadmill replacement parts and maintenance essentials. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.